Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi. In this session, we are going to learn about how to create a sales quota plan in our Oracle Fusion application. Sales quotas. A sales quota is a target sales reps are set for a specific period like month, quarter or year. Sales quota can be set in dollar figure or in the number of goods or service sold. Set up these features to simplify assigning quota to salespeople and to track their progress. Some key features of sales quotas: assign territory quotas to territories and resource quota to people. Create sales goals such as number of sales, review quotas assigned to you by your senior manager and allocate quotas to your salespeople. Use formulas to calculate territories quota using the measurement of historical data and future potential. Let's move on to the application to create a sales quota plan. This is the home page of Oracle Fusion application. Click on Setting an Action menu, click on that, click on Setup and Maintenance, select the sales offering in Setup, in functional area, click on quotas, and in task area, first show the all tasks. And click on Manage Sales Quota Seasonality Group. First, we create a seasonality group, so that click on plus sign over here, click on that. This is the create button. Let's enter the group name. Let's enter the year. Click on OK. Groups gets created. In the seasonality factor region, enter the factor percentage for the time period. Percentage must be add up to 100. Let's enter the factor. Click on Save and Close. Now, click on Manage Sales Quota Plan. Let's create a sales quota plan. Click on plus sign over here. Click on that. Let's enter the sales quota plan name. Let's select the year. Calculate default territory. Deselect this checkbox. If you selected, the application calculates the quota for each of the territories using the default territory quota formula. Track. Deselect this track if you select this, then only one plan can track quota for the year. Deselect this one. Leave this copy quota form blank. After creating your first quota, sales quota plan, copy previous plan for a quick way to create a new plan. Right now, skip this and click on Save and Close. Click on Save. Right now, the status is new for BSP Sales Quota Plan 2022. The sales quota. Now select your new quota plan, which we create recently. Select this one and click on Active button. Let's select the activation date. Click OK. See, the initial stage is pending activation. Refresh the page to verify that the status changed to active, like that. Is active, then active. A sales revenue goal is automatically assigned to every territory owner during the annual quota planning process. Upon activation, sales manager can sign in to the application and begin allocating revenue quota to their teams. This is how you can create a sales quota plan in our Oracle Fusion application. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.